Greetings, folks. Today's video, we're going to talk about how to make money in the affiliate marketing niche. That's very specific there. In our last video, we talked about what affiliate marketing is, and it's basically you're getting paid to be like a salesman for other companies' already established products. You know, companies like Walmart, Target, all the different products you see on Amazon. You can be an affiliate of Amazon and sell any product they have on there and receive a commission. This is all affiliate marketing is. And many companies, and I mean even well-known, well-established brands, like I just mentioned, Walmart, for example, they have these affiliate options. In other words, you sign up with them and they will give you a specialized link and you can promote their store or their company or any products within their company, and if you make a sale, they'll pay you a percentage of those profits to you. Now, some might pay out in 2 months, some in 1 month, some in 2 weeks, some in a couple of days. There are even some that pay out in instant pay, which is what we specifically discussed in the very last video before this one. Now, what I want to discuss is about niches. Now, a niche simply is the industry that you're going to be selling something in or providing a service in. You know, that could be the health industry, that could be the real estate industry, the fashion industry, the entertainment industry, and all the different forms of each of those industries, or what is known as sub niches. That's a niche within a niche. So, what we're discussing is making money online in the affiliate marketing niche specifically. And why am I focusing on this? Because oftentimes when someone will go and will put us in a search box such as Google, how to make money online, you'll start seeing all these results about affiliate marketing. But the thing is, when you go to some of these results or you get started and down that rabbit hole, so to speak, you'll notice that some of the programs will suggest and recommend you selling things in the affiliate marketing niche itself. And the affiliate marketing niche is about what is affiliate marketing and the different tools, digital tools that you use to have success in affiliate marketing. So if you're selling a how-to manual, how to make money in affiliate marketing, how to make money with affiliate marketing, how to make money in digital marketing, that covers the same space and the same area as well, you'll notice that these are programs and systems that make money selling tools or information specifically geared towards the affiliate marketing niche. But what is the best way to sell things in the affiliate marketing niche itself? Well, I put in a search in Google and just to see what it says, and you know, there wasn't much information on the affiliate marketing niche itself. There was information on how to find the best niche, the 10 best niches to get started with an affiliate marketing, 100 and so top niches in affiliate marketing, but not specifically the affiliate marketing niche itself. And let's get started. It's going to all come down to building an audience of people who are interested in knowing more about affiliate marketing. That's it. You need an audience. Who are you going to sell to? So you also need to do some research as to what type of person would come and search for something about affiliate marketing or how to make money in the affiliate marketing niche itself. Once you get an idea of what that type of person is, you will write your content, meaning it's an article or a blog post or an ad, something of that nature. You're going to be writing it to that type of person, to the personality of that person, which you will know from doing your research. Some people look at this as getting to know your market better, having a buyer avatar. You may come across that term. An avatar is simply the approximate personality of the type of person who will be interested in your industry or niche. That's all that means. Okay, so I can tell you beforehand, give you a jump start on this. It's somebody who's looking to change their immediate financial circumstances without having to learn all this stuff about trading, or without needing thousands and thousands of dollars to start a brick and mortar business in their local town. Someone's trying to make money online is trying to look for a simpler route that doesn't have to take them to have to go get a loan from some bank for multi-$1,000s. That doesn't take them the need to have to hire physical employees. They're looking for that route. And affiliate marketing can definitely bring that to you, especially if you're marketing in the affiliate marketing niche, which consists in informing people of what it's all about and the different tools they'll need. And one of the best tools is a tool that enables them to build an audience. Online, in online parlance, the phrase is building a list. You want to build a list of people who are interested in that particular niche. In this case, it would be the affiliate marketing niche. So, how do you do this? You would have a web page that basically speaks to that kind of person that's interested in the affiliate marketing niche, and you would have some type of sign-up form where they can go and get continued information. This is known as a list. That sign-up form is going to ask for their name and email address, or oftentimes just their email address, so that the marketer can contact them at certain intervals throughout the future, throughout the next several weeks or several months or even several years. And don't worry, the subscriber, which is the person who fills out that form, they can unsubscribe at any time they want. In fact, it is legally required that that marketer has something near the bottom that they can simply unsubscribe should they no longer wish to receive those particular messages. Now, of course, the email messages that you're going to be sending to those subscribers is important. You want it geared toward that particular niche. In this case, again, it's the affiliate marketing niche. So we would have emails sent out every 2 days, every 3 days, something of that nature that's going to inform them about affiliate marketing. Now, we can take it one step further. As soon as they fill out that form, that web page can immediately redirect to an offer that deals with affiliate marketing. Now, I have such an offer, and this offer is not just information. It's actually a system with the tools that you'll need to build an affiliate marketing business already built into it. For example, I said this thing about building lists. Well, you're going to receive a system that will enable you to build your list, as well as there will be an immediate offer that can earn you instant commissions. And what do I mean by instant commissions? Remember when I said earlier in affiliate marketing, you can get paid months later, you can get paid weeks later, and some even pay you instantly? Well, what instant means is, as soon as that sale is made, those funds, that money will be immediately spendable on either your PayPal card or some other debit card you have of that nature. So as soon as the sale is made, your affiliate commission comes right to that debit card. You can go to the store right after that sale and buy something. That's what I mean by instant commissions. Because when you get into affiliate marketing, it'll sometimes get frustrating when you have to wait over a month for a sale that you made a month ago. You know, you made those sales a month ago. Well, you're ready to go spend it, right? You're ready to go buy something. You're ready to go reinvest back into your business. But now you got this holdup because you want to wait more than a month before you actually get it in spendable form. That's the difference with instant pay. What I'm offering you is an instant pay affiliate opportunity in the affiliate marketing niche. And it's very awesome. So somewhere at the bottom in the description or to the side here, there's going to be a link that you're going to want to press on or click on or tap on, depending on what device you're using, right? You're going to hit that link and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Page is going to look something like this, and you can check out the video. It's going to go into more retail. It tells you what you're going to get here, and you're even getting access to a private group, a private community that will further assist you into the latest tips and strategies that you need to be using. You're going to see all kind of testimonials from different people who are getting their commissions, including I have many testimonials in the group there. And you're going to see exactly the steps to take to use this system to make this happen. As you can see, step one is simply setting up the system, and it's fully laid out instruction wise, and you're going to select something called a lead page. Remember when I told you a few minutes ago, I was speaking about that special web page that speaks to the one who's interested in your niche, and it's going to have a form asking for their name and email? That's what a lead page is, and that's all that's on that page. It's going to tell you you're going to get something for free, some free training or some free tool or something of that magnitude. That's going to be the magnet that attracts the person to make them want to put in their email address so they can become your subscriber and receive your messages. That's all a lead page is. And then the step three is you're going to promote your link. You're going to promote the link to that lead page. Now, promoting deals with online advertising. One thing this system has is many different avenues for online advertising. That's where you essentially go and make an ad for thousands of people can see it. There are some forms of free online advertising, and then there are some forms of paid online advertising. Now, I'll tell you just from experience, the free tend to take a little longer than the paid ones. The paid ones, you paid money for a certain amount of visitors, and boom, it'll start instantly. They'll immediately start coming. Now, like I said, these are easy steps. Well, simple steps. It's only easy once you plug in and start actually doing it. This is a viral list building systems. You'll have over 15 high converting lead capture pages. Here are some of them right here, what they're going to look like. But you'll find it all out when you come and sign up. But the best part, well, one of the best parts besides the in-depth training is 100% commissions directly paid to you. So whenever someone buys this system from you, through you, you're going to get paid, instant pay, 100% of the commissions. It'll be immediately spendable on your debit card. Definitely an offer you're not going to want to miss. So I want you to make sure that you look somewhere in the description of this video and click on that link. Go ahead and sign up. You're going to see 3 or 4 options. Pick the option that's best for you. I'm not going to try to make you choose a specific option. Pick the one that is wisest for you. When you get on this page, you're going to understand. It's going to be real clear to you what's going on here. And you'll be able to make instant commissions. The more advertising you do to your specialized capture pages, the more leads you'll make, and thus the more income you could receive. Now, full disclaimer, not everybody makes money because they're not following the proper strategies, the proper procedures. They're not setting things up right. So when you join with me, I'm going to help you out with all that. All right? I'd like to thank you for taking the time for checking out this video. Please hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel for more affiliate marketing trainings. And come on in the inside. I can't wait to help you out. Let's start making money online.